everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice Channel. My name is Anna, and I am so happy you are here with us today.
Hi everyone, I'm David, and as always, we are excited, motivated, and ready to practice English together.
That's right. If you are listening right now, give yourself a little smile. Yes, really, smile.
Smiling is free, and it's good practice for positive energy.
Today's episode is going to be very practical, very useful, and maybe a little bit funny.
Just a little bit funny? Anna, I prepared my best jokes today.
Oh no, everyone get ready.
Hey, I'm very funny, at least in my own mind.
That's confidence, and confidence is actually our topic today.
That's right. Today we are talking about building confidence when speaking English.
Ooh, this is an important topic.
Very important. Many English learners say, I understand English, but I'm afraid to speak.
Yes, they understand movies, they understand podcasts, but when it's time to speak, their mind goes blank.
Blank, empty, nothing.
Like my refrigerator yesterday.
That's not confidence, that's grocery shopping problems.
Exactly.
So today, we will help you feel more confident, more relaxed, and more comfortable speaking English.
And remember, confidence is not about being perfect.
Repeat after me. Confidence is not perfection.
Confidence is practice.
Confidence is progress.
Very good. Now let's start with a simple question.
Anna, what does confidence mean?
Great question. Confidence means believing in yourself. It means thinking, I can do this.
Even if you make mistakes.
Especially if you make mistakes.
That's important. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning.
Say it with us. Mistakes are part of learning.
If you wait until your English is perfect, you will wait forever.
Forever and ever and ever.
So step number 1 for confidence. Change your mindset.
Ooh, mindset. That's a useful word.
Yes, mindset means the way you think.
Instead of thinking, my English is bad, try thinking, my English is improving.
Instead of I can't speak, say I'm learning to speak.
That small change makes a big difference.
Small change, big difference. I like that.
Now let's give an example. Imagine you are at work and you want to speak English.
But you are nervous.
Your heart is beating fast.
Your hands are a little sweaty.
And you think, oh no, what if I make a mistake?
Here's a better thought. It's okay. I'm practicing.
Practice makes progress.
Not practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Let's repeat. Practice makes progress.
Now let's teach a useful phrase. Take a deep breath.
When you feel nervous, take a deep breath.
Inhale, exhale.
Slower. Inhale, exhale.
See, you already feel calmer.
Another helpful expression is take your time.
Yes, you don't need to speak fast.
Speaking slowly is okay.
Speaking clearly is better than speaking fast.
Let's say that again. Speaking clearly is better than speaking fast.
Now let's do a mini role play.
Good idea.
I will be a nervous English learner.
And I will be a supportive friend.
Okay, here we go. Hi, I want to improve my English.
That's great. Take your time. You're doing well.
Really? I feel nervous.
That's normal. Everyone feels nervous sometimes.
What if I say something wrong?
Then you learn something new. That's all.
Oh, that sounds less scary.
See? Support helps confidence.
That felt nice.
Yes, and you can support yourself the same way.
Talk to yourself kindly.
Don't say, I'm terrible. Say, I'm improving.
Repeat after us. I am improving every day.
Even small improvement is still improvement.
Now let's talk about preparation.
Preparation builds confidence.
For example, if you know you will introduce yourself in English, practice before.
Practice in front of a mirror. Practice with your phone.
Record your voice.
Listen and repeat.
The more you practice, the more natural it feels.
Natural means comfortable and normal.
Exactly.
Let's teach another useful phrase. Step out of your comfort zone.
Ooh, good one.
Your comfort zone is where you feel safe.
But growth happens outside your comfort zone.
If you only read and never speak, your speaking won't grow.
So challenge yourself. Speak one sentence.
Just one sentence.
Tomorrow, speak 2 sentences.
Small steps lead to big results.
Small steps lead to big results. I love that expression.
Let's review what we learned so far.
Number 1, change your mindset.
Number 2, take a deep breath and take your time.
Number 3, practice makes progress.
Number 4, step out of your comfort zone.
And number 5, be kind to yourself.
Now let's do one more mini role play. This time, I'm nervous.
Okay, I'll help you.
Hi, I want to order coffee.
That's great. You can do it.
Can I have one coffee, please?
Perfect. That was clear and polite.
Really? Even if my grammar is simple?
Simple is good. Clear is good. Communication is the goal,
Communication is the goal.
not perfection.
I feel more confident already.
See, confidence grows with action.
So, dear listeners, here is your challenge.
Today, speak one sentence in English.
Just one.
Maybe say, today is a good day.
Or, I am learning English.
Or, I can do this.
Repeat. I can do this.
Again, I can do this.
Confidence is built one sentence at a time.
One sentence at a time.
Remember, we believe in you.
Yes, we truly do.
Learning English is a journey.
And every journey begins with one step.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, keep practicing with us.
Write in the comments, what makes you nervous when speaking English?
And what is one small step you will take today?
Keep smiling.
Keep practicing,
Keep believing in yourself.
and we will see you in the next episode of the Daily English Practice channel.
Have a confident day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.